So how the practicals are offered to the students? How good the practicals are in Caucasus?
So we have affiliation with more than 20 hospitals in Georgia.
In Tbilisi itself.
In Tbilisi,
Okay.
nearby our campus.
Okay.
Just elaborate that thing for us, that how CAUCASUS is making sure that practical exposure is the part of their curriculum where they are getting enough patient exposure.
So we have like partnership with the best hospitals, like high demanded hospitals, and the reason actually why we have so many partners in order to make sure exactly you actually told the answer of your question, and what I was emphasizing on, that the reason why we do not have one or two partner public hospitals and we do have so many hospitals is that to send students according to the main areas of that particular hospital. So one hospital cannot be an expert of all fields,
In
right?
all departments.
Yeah.